Hi, I'm Cody with Fixed Roofing. We're here at the FRSA 2026, and I'm here with Chris at Simpson Strong Tie, and we have a couple questions we'd love to ask you. In Florida, we deal with all sorts of wind mitigation because hurricanes, wind pressures, uplift is kind of the main concern when we're building a home or re-roofing a home.
Absolutely.
So can you tell us a little bit about what's new as far as our options when we're re-roofing somebody's home to enhance that connection from where the roof meets the wall so we can prevent it from blowing away?
Yeah, we want to keep our roof on, right? That's what it's all about. So Simpson Strong Tie works within the state of Florida, all across the country, but in Florida, we work with the Office of Insurance Regulation to update their wind mitigation inspection form to allow performance-based roof-to-wall connection. Previously, you would have to make connections to attach your roof trusses or your rafters to the wall in a way that would require the strap to go over the top of the truss and down the side of the wall to make those connections.
Sure.
And that's very hard to do, and you got finishes in the way, and it's very expensive.
Right, siding, stucco.
Exactly.
We do this all the time. We open up a roof, and even if we take that plywood off, we can't really get in front of the building structure to put those fasteners
Exactly.
in.
You got to remove stucco off the wall or siding. It just costs a lot of labor, a lot of time. Your roof is open, and you're trying to re-roof, and the rain's coming. So what if we could install something from the top? Right, so you open up the roof, you can install a angle that can attach to the top of the wall and into the truss.
Okay.
Right, and before you had to wrap over the top of the truss in order for you to get a good insurance discount. Now, performance-based solutions allow you to use any kind of roof-to-wall connector that's made to attach a roof to the wall, right?
Sure.
That's installed properly, and you can now install it from the top down. This is our HGA, which is a wood-to-wood solution. We also have the HGAM, which is a roof-to-masonry solution.
Beautiful.
And you can attach these with our concrete anchors and wood screws, or wood screws and wood screws, and achieve a very high uplift capacity that exceeds the double wrap performance-based solution of 891 pounds. You can get it in and out and get the roof back up, put together and out the door before that rain comes.
And
the
we're
homeowner
not taking siding off the house.
Right,
We're not
exactly.
ripping soffit out to try to access something.
Easy to install,
rooftop.
much more financially attractive to be able to do it. Get it done quick. They have a performance-based solution they can count on, and it's going to keep the roof on, which is what we're trying to do. If the roof comes off in a hurricane, you've got catastrophic damage. So keeping that roof on is critical, and this can help make that happen.
And that's what we really want to prevent, of course, is you could have the best possible roof system, the best underlayment, but if the truss system or that wood just lifts away from the house, none of that really matters anymore.
That's right. Your whole structure is compromised, and you're not coming back for months or years from damage like that.
Sure.
So we don't want that, right? We want people to live in safe, strong structures, and this is one component that can help get you there.